So this is something to pay attention to. As well, another fitna, after the fitna of Adnan Arur, Ali Halabi plays a role in the fitna of Muhammad Al Maghraoui. So we're going to go back as well from how it started in the early 2000s.
أخطاء واضحة تخالف منهج السلف ويجب عليه الشيخ المغراوي أن يتراجع عنها بصورة واضحة وما يظن أنه له فيه سلف أو قضية علمية يرفع الأمر إلى علماء والحمد لله موجودون. أما القضايا اللي مخطئ فيها والسبيانة الشيخ ربيع وغير المشايخ لا يجوز السكوت عنها ولا تلامس الاعتذار فيها بل يجب أن يرجع عنها بكل وضوح.
So, the very beginning, Ali Halabi acknowledges that he opposed the manhaj al-Salaf, Muhammad al-Maghraoui. Muhammad al-Maghraoui is a renowned takfiri. And he has well-known statements of takfir. We're going to play some of that, where he even believed that having the law of having citizenship and rules of the roads of the streets, the lights, that this is disbelief, and inventing. And all of this, he even said that the Muslimun today, 100% of them, you have some quotes of saying they're munafiqun. And we have more words that you're going to see. So, we're going to play some of those audios. But this is Ali Halabi. He acknowledges mistakes. It's not like someone who doesn't know. He acknowledges that first. So we have to see what Ali Halabi says after all this.
وأن المغراوي ضد التكفير وأن المغراوي ناقص رؤوس التكفير في المغرب.
So here Ali Halabi defends fervently, saying, by Allah, wallahi, wa billahi, wa tallahi, that Maghraoui is not a takfir, and that he wages war against takfir, and that he debates with the takfiris. So we'll just give you some examples of Maghraoui, of his persistence in takfir. It's a methodology of the person. You can see some of the audios. You can hear part.
فإن أمرتك مرأتك بمعصية ولبيت لها فهي صارت صنما. المرأة إذا أمرتك بمخالفة شرع الله ولبيت أمرها وطلبها فقد صارت لك صنما لأن عبدها.
So here Maghraoui, he says if you were to obey your own wife in the disobedience of Allah, she becomes an idol to you. Pay attention to this.
وهكذا أستاذ وهكذا حاكم وهكذا صنم لأن عبدها من دون الله. وهكذا أخوك وهكذا صديقك وهكذا أستاذك وهكذا حاكم وهكذا كل واحد إذا أمرك بغير ما.
So he says, likewise, your brother, any one of these people, the ruler, if they were to tell you to do something that is disobedience, and you listen right away, they become an idol and you worship them, he says. So, with all this, Shaykh Ahmed Najmi, he mentions some speech regarding Ali Halabi and as well his companions at that time in regards to some of their defense of saying that Maghraoui is not a takfiri. So Shaykh Ahmed Najmi, when he was asked about Halabi and his likes, he says that I cannot advise to take knowledge upon someone that supports Al-Maghraoui and also Abul Hasan Al-Ma'ribi. So he says this is a person there's observations regarding, and I cannot say that you can take knowledge from this person. So after a number of years, what does Halabi say regarding this? You can hear it for yourself, and this is a response to Shaykh Ahmed Najmi's audio.
أننا مع ملاحظاتنا على أبي الحسن وعلى المغراوي وقد واجهناهما في بعض الأمر أننا لا نخرجهم من السلفية، فهذه قضية ثانية.
So here he says, after all those years, and that the issue, the difference between me and the other mashayikh is that we do not take Abu Hasan al-Maghribi and Maghraoui out of the fold of Salafiyya. And then not only that, after, and as well in 2010, they announced a lecture that's going to happen on the website of Ali Halabi, that she's a supervisor of Kullu Salafiyyin, لقاء مباشر بين الشيخين الفاضلين, as a direct meeting between the two noble mashayikh. That's what's mentioned here, Ali Halabi and Muhammad al-Maghraoui. And the title is called Ahammiyatul Da'wa ila Allah, the importance of giving da'wah to Allah. It's almost 2 hours of them aiding each other and supporting one another in the audio. This is something to pay attention to.